Hi there, a quick look under the hood at what it's like even before you get inside. So first of all, you're on this page here, scroll down to the bottom and you can pick the free membership plan, get right in, join the general community. Once you're on the inside, probably the first thing that you'll see is the discovery area or the home area. Here we have a lineup of some of the most important things to know about. So for example, we have our Premier Access, $10 a month, and that gets you access to every event that we're doing moving forward. You get to join every community. Some key articles that people have asked for or commented on, like, is Smart Catholics just for geniuses? A couple of key questions, and then once a week we've got a welcome and a group chat where we go live and we can chat with each other, get to know each other, and I can answer any of your questions. Lastly, we have a little course, very easy to use, how to use Smart Catholics, how to go around and use things. So go ahead and you can poke around in that. We have here, there are a bunch of groups, and we're constantly adding new groups. Every conference becomes its own group, and a variety of Catholic speakers or Catholic groups are creating their own. So there's always things for you to get plugged into. Top posts, kind of like a Facebook. There's constantly people posting and engaging on stuff, asking their own questions. We have some basic topics. You can poke around and have a look at these. Such as asking or articles, news and announcements, or the general welcome area. So over on the left, you'll see there's a members area. You can sort these by who are the top members, like the people who love this community, are really, really engaged. And I tell you, they are wonderful people. I am so pleased and proud to know them. You can have a look at who is newest and say a quick hi to the people who are just joining. People who are hosts in the community, who are helping to create things and organize things and help you stay ordered, stuff like that. Then there's the about. This gives you the overview of what this is. Topics, these are the key topics that content is posted in. You can also see the events. Every time that we put on a conference in Smart Catholics, we'll drop it in here. You can RSVP to get some news and updates, apart from everything else that maybe you're signing up for on the outside. Other events that people are creating, our speakers and moderators that you can join. And as you can see, once a week, we've got a standing invite for a group chat. You can join me and chat with other people. And they are nice calls. It's so cool to meet people. Here's all the groups over on the left-hand side. You can see all of the different groups that it's possible to join. So you can poke around and have a look at those. And then we have some initial courses, like how to use Smart Catholics. So I hope that, if this is something that you're interested in, you can come in and join us. Like any network, you get your own profile. You can create, put a bio in here, upload your picture, put some header art. I'll go ahead and show you mine as a little example. And it's a way for you to share who you are. Put an introduction, a list of all the groups that you're in, all the events that you're joining, so you can see what other people are also doing. You also get a chat. So every group has a general sort of chat like this. As you can see, it pops open like that. You can also open up a chat with an individual person and have conversations with them as well. And then it's nice. You can pop that open all the way. And then like Facebook Messenger, maybe you can have a lineup of all the people that you're having conversations with. So for sharing your news and updates and things, you can go here. You can ask a question, you can create a quick post, and share what's on your mind. When you do that, please go ahead and add a topic and tag it properly so people can find it. Lastly, you control the notifications that you want to get. So if you don't want to see posts from a particular topic, you can choose what to follow and what not to follow. So as you can see, moving forward, this demo profile I'm showing you will get notifications from Welcome and Community, but not the others. And every time you go ahead and join a group, or if you pay for access to one of the more premier groups, you will then get those notifications. So you can have a look at the settings and poke around through these, like notifications and so on. If you don't have the app, you can also download that. You can search the App Store or the Play Store for Mighty Networks, and then just look for Smart Catholics, and there we are. You can log right in, or you can text yourself. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and let me know. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to being a support to you, getting to know you, and helping you create together a wonderful, welcoming community for Catholics all over the world. May God richly bless you and yours, and see you on the inside.